Hi there, welcome to Deepak's Kitchen. This is Deepak Kshatriya. The summer has already begun and the heat is unbearable. At this time, we can't even eat any foods. The stomach is always full because of drinking lots of water. And if you had any other meal, it's not that comforting to us. So that's the reason I'm going to show you a beautiful, actually we can call it as a summer's boon. That's curd rice. You might say that what's there in the curd rice? We do it all the time. But hear me out. The variation of this curd rice which I'm going to show you is, it's a restaurant style and it's going to be very soft, creamy to the touch, and believe me, you don't even know when it has slipped down your throat. It would be that beautiful. So without further ado, let's see how this is done. To make this beautiful curd rice, I am taking 1 cup of rice. We wash it thoroughly 2 or 3 times and then let's soak this for about 30 minutes. So let's add some water and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Look here, I kept a cooker to heat. Let's add the soaked rice in the cooker. Look, I have taken 1 cup of rice in this cup. So that's the reason why we need to take nearly 3 cups of water in the same cup. Here all the measurements should be taken in a single cup. So for this I am taking a 1 cup of rice. Regularly what we do is, to make a perfect rice, we take 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. For this we need some kind of a mushy kind of a texture. That's the reason why I am adding 3 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. A required amount of salt. Let's close the lid and cook for about 3 whistles. Look, it has been nearly 3 whistles. Now let's open the lid. Look, the rice has been cooked nice and well. We have to mash the rice for a bit. Using a masher, using a aloo masher like this, I'm going to mash the rice for a bit. Look, the rice has nicely been mashed. Now let's take this out in a bowl. To this I will add 1 cup of milk. And 2 cups of curd. Everything is put out in the same measuring cup. And for this I am going to take 2 cups of curd and 1 cup of milk. Why I am adding milk to this recipe is, after completing the recipe, when you keep this recipe for a longer time, it will not get sour and it also enhances the taste. And that's the reason why I am adding a cup of milk to this. Give this a nice mix. Keep this in a refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. I kept a tadka pan to heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is nice and hot. We'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, a 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 green chillies finely chopped, a 1/4 inch of ginger, 2 red chillies, a teaspoon of cashew nuts. Give this a nice mix. Curry leaves. And now the tempering is ready. Now let's add this tempering to the mixture. And my secret ingredients for this is 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and let's mix this again. If you want, you can add some salt at this point. At last, for garnishing, we'll add some coriander leaves. Now look, the most delicious and tasty curd rice is now ready. Beautiful. Look, it's this easy, and look at the texture, how beautiful it is. An important note for you guys in this is, never serve this hot. It's preferred you always chill this or let it cool down completely. It's better you just refrigerate it for about 30 minutes and then eat it. It will go excellent with a lemon pickle or the mango pickle. And believe me, you are going to fall in love with it like anything else. Do try this in my way and let me know in the comment section down below. Hope you like this video, and also follow us on our social media handles in Facebook and Instagrams. All the links provided in the description down below. So we'll catch you in next one. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind. Namaste.